Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to add a dimension. So for example, you can draw a rectangle and use the pull tools to convert into 3D, and we can group this object. The next, if you want to add dimensions, first I will add for the large tools. You can go to view, toolbars, and then check for large tool set. Click close. Now you can see we have these dimension tools. You can click, and then I will click from this corner points into here and move to this point to set the dimension. Okay, I will move again from this point to the top like this, or you can click from this point into here and move again in right axis to create the dimension. So that's it for basic SketchUp 2026 how to add dimensions.